To add SoFi to Apple Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the SoFi mobile app installed. Open the SoFi app and sign in to your account. Then navigate to the Settings or Account Options section. Look for the option to add your SoFi card to a digital wallet, such as Apple Pay, and select it. You will be prompted to select the type of card you want to add, such as a debit or credit card. So choose the one associated with your SoFi account. You may be asked to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your phone or email. So enter the code to proceed. Once your card is verified, you will be taken to the Apple Pay setup screen, where you can review and agree to the terms and conditions. Review the information carefully. Then tap Agree to add your SoFi card to Apple Pay. Your SoFi card will now be added to Apple Pay, and you can use it to make purchases online, in-app, or in-store wherever Apple Pay is accepted. To use Apple Pay, simply double-click the side button on your device. Select your SoFi card, and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also add multiple cards to Apple Pay. So if you have other credit or debit cards, you can add them as well. To switch between cards, simply open the Wallet app, select the card you want to use, and it will become the default card for Apple Pay. It is a good practice to regularly review your account settings and transaction history to ensure everything is up to date and secure. By following these steps, you can easily add your SoFi card to Apple Pay and start making convenient and secure transactions.